Here are 50 design ideas for combined living and dining spaces that go beyond mere aesthetics. If you are a homeowner, design enthusiast, property professional, or simply someone looking to infuse modern elegance into your living space, this guide is tailored for you. Characterized by open floor plans, minimalistic touches, and versatile functionality, dive in to discover what makes a living and dining area truly contemporary and aligned with today's lifestyles. Let's start with open floor plan. The open floor plan is a signature of modern design, fostering a seamless connection between living and dining areas. By eliminating walls, the space becomes a social hub, perfect for gatherings and family time. The openness amplifies the sense of space, offering endless possibilities for furniture arrangement and interior creativity. This design approach encourages interaction and creates a welcoming atmosphere, allowing family members and guests to move freely and engage with one another. It also enhances natural light flow, making the space feel bright and airy. Minimalistic design. Embracing the mantra of less is more, minimalistic design in modern interiors creates an atmosphere of elegance and tranquility. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a restrained color palette allow the architecture and carefully selected furnishings to shine. It's a celebration of simplicity, where every element serves a purpose. This design philosophy emphasizes quality over quantity, focusing on functional pieces that add value to the space. The minimalistic approach creates a calming environment, free from distractions, where the beauty of the space itself takes center stage. Functionality and flexibility. The modern design prioritizes functionality and flexibility. Furniture that adapts to different needs, expandable dining tables, and versatile layouts ensure that the space evolves with you. It's about intelligent design that caters to everyday living, providing convenience without compromising style. Whether hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening at home, the space can be easily transformed to suit the occasion. The emphasis on adaptability reflects a practical approach to living, where design serves the needs of the inhabitants, enhancing comfort and efficiency. Natural light and technology. Natural light breathes life into modern spaces, with large windows and thoughtful design ensuring a bright and airy feel. Technology enhances this experience, with smart lighting controls and integrated systems adding a layer of modern convenience. It's where nature meets innovation, creating a harmonious living environment. The integration of technology allows for personalized control over lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems, offering a tailored living experience. Meanwhile, the abundance of natural light promotes well-being and connects the indoors with the surrounding landscape. Artistic expression. Artistic expression infuses personality into the modern combined space. Bold artworks, sculptural elements, and creative patterns engage the eye and spark conversation. It's more than decoration. It's a dialogue with the space, reflecting individual tastes and adding a unique character. Art becomes an integral part of the design, inspiring creativity and adding layers of visual interest. Whether through paintings, sculptures, or innovative use of materials, artistic expression brings life and energy to the space, making it a reflection of personal style and vision. Texture and layering. Texture and layering add depth and warmth to modern interiors. The tactile interplay of materials like velvet, concrete, marble, and linen creates a sensory experience. Thoughtful layering of textures enhances comfort and visual appeal, making the space inviting and rich in detail. By mixing different textures and materials, the design achieves a balance between sleek modern lines and cozy comfort. This approach adds sophistication and complexity to the space, inviting exploration and touch, and creating a multi-dimensional environment that appeals to all senses. Acoustic considerations. Acoustics play a subtle yet vital role in modern design. Soft materials and strategic placements absorb sound, ensuring a pleasant and intimate atmosphere. It's about creating a space where sound is controlled and balanced, contributing to overall comfort and serenity. Acoustic considerations extend beyond mere soundproofing. They shape the auditory experience of the space, enhancing communication and relaxation. Whether through the use of rugs, curtains, or specially designed panels, acoustics become an essential design element, adding to the overall quality of life within the space. Integration of art and culture. The integration of art and culture enriches the modern space, connecting it with heritage and personal interests. Displaying local art, cultural artifacts, or personal collections tells a story, adding depth and authenticity. It's a celebration of diversity and creativity that makes the space uniquely yours. This design approach fosters a sense of identity and belonging, reflecting the values and history of the inhabitants. It creates a space that resonates with meaning, where objects and art become conversation starters and sources of inspiration. Transitional spaces. Transitional spaces are the hidden gems of modern design, bridging the living and dining areas. Whether it's a breakfast bar, reading nook, or display shelf, these areas add fluidity and multifunctionality. They enhance the flow, provide extra amenities, and add visual interest, making the space dynamic and engaging. Transitional spaces serve as connectors, linking different areas of the home and providing opportunities for relaxation, work, or display. They add layers to the design, making the space more versatile and interesting, and offering creative solutions to modern living needs. The modern combined living and dining area blends aesthetics, functionality, and adaptability, reflecting simplicity and innovation in design. If you're inspired and looking for similar products, check the links in the description box below. We've curated items to help you create the perfect space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.